isa yan sa mga mahalagang agenda namin, at itutuloy namin ipinunta rito sa Cebu. We looked at the projects of flood control here in Cebu, and from our understanding, for the past 6 years, 60 billion has been poured into Cebu. And most of it, or 25%, went to, the bulk of it went to 7th District. And 25% of it also went to a leading contractor, Hirante. And that should be a lot of money to control the flooding. But apparently, the past month, flooding happened again here in Cebu. So we have to look at what's happening. Is it the design? Is it the execution? Or is it just corruption? Titingnan natin. We will find out, we will know. And of course, the current design of corruption in DPWH became very apparent. Wala talagang bidding na. Kaya, isa yan sa sinuggest ko dito sa ating mga tao dito, is that we lobby for digital tools through the law na lahat talaga transparent na. Ang bidding from the barangay up to the executive department, dapat dyan, digital na. Dapat may digital billboard for everybody to know and to see and to investigate. It should be a duty for people to record everything digitally so that transparency is promoted. Kaya ang bisita dito talaga is really to be able to ascertain many things, and one of them is actually flood control.
Next question.